In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and utilize Themis data analytics to evaluate your performance on MBE practice questions. Click on Course Progress within your Themis portal to be taken to this summary screen, where you can view your overall course progress. Each of the white labels under Overall Module Progress are actually links that will take you to your results for each module. Click on MBE practice questions. Here you will find the cumulative performance data for every MBE practice question you have completed to date. This student has completed 561 questions and answered 60% of them correctly. Click on any of the subject bar graphs for a breakdown of your score by subject and topic. This granular view is ideal for determining specific areas where you need to improve. You can even click on individual questions to review the ones you missed or test your recall. The Answer Popularity Index tells you which answers your peers chose on a particular question. In general, there is less consensus on difficult questions as opposed to easier ones, which makes the index convenient for estimating just how hard a question actually is. The View Outline link for each question will take you to the exact portion of that subject's outline where the specific topic tested is covered. You can also review MBE practice questions by session by clicking on any of the sets listed here, the recent session results, or view all session links. When viewing results by session, you can compare your performance to the stated goal that Themis set based on where you are in your course. You can also organize individual session results by subject or sequentially by clicking here. Themis data analytics are designed to give you granular insights into where to direct your practice. So don't let poor scores on individual question sessions discourage you. Instead, utilize data analytics to focus your attention on the areas where you need to improve.